Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the assets and permissions. First, open the gallery and select the video you want. Do this now. Once chosen, make sure Mast has access to photos or videos. Grant permission when the prompt appears, because without it you can't import. Next, tap the share icon in the gallery and pick Mast from the list. This initiates the transfer into Mast's Composer, so stay focused and don't close the gallery until the Composer opens. Once the video arrives in Mast's Composer, you'll compose the post. Trim to the exact clip you need and choose a thumbnail. This improves engagement. Then add a clear caption and include alt text for accessibility. This matters for reach. Make choices about visibility and whether to disable replies. If needed, apply filters or upload SRT subtitles to aid viewers. Finally, preview the post so you can spot timing or cropping issues before you publish. Now you publish and verify. Tap Publish, watch the upload progress, and confirm the post appears in your profile and timeline. If the video fails to upload, try again on a stronger Wi-Fi connection or export the video at a lower resolution to reduce file size. Should problems persist, clear Mast's cache, sign out and sign back in, or reauthorize gallery permissions. This often fixes stuck imports. Finally, check playback after posting to ensure audio and subtitles synced correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.